Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Samurai Legends. My name is Shlok, and so today I have something important to tell you guys. I started Minecraft modding. So yeah, basically I started because I had nothing to do at home. I got stuck. Many cases could not go down. So I just started modding. I've been trying to make a mod for 2 weeks. About 2 weeks, and I would really appreciate if you would like the video. If this video reaches 20 likes, I would make an in-depth Minecraft modding tutorial. So yeah, drop a like if you want to see the in-depth tutorial. So yeah, basically I'll show you a sneak peek of my mod, which will be available on CurseForge after some days, because yeah, there's a lot of progress. So here's my mod.
Yeah, basically a bit a lot of uh, complicated stuff, but in the tutorial, I'm gonna make it very easy for all of you to understand. So basically, this is a workspace I'm gonna be working on and teaching you guys. It's on Eclipse, and let me just load the game and show you guys how it looks. So yeah, here's a sneak peek of my mod. So yeah, these are basically the ores. Let me just change to survival mode real quick. Slash game mode. Survival. So basically, you can't mine it with an iron pickaxe. Just 1 second, or an axe or anything. But if you mine it with a pickaxe, you will get these things which are super raw and good. And if you smelt it, you will get I'm gonna let you guess. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna get one super ingot that just basically blasts your XP. And yeah, in the tutorial, I will also be teaching you how to animate these. As you can see, it's animated. You chuck it down, it's moving. Just chuck it over there. 1 sec. Oh shit. So sorry. And yep, here. Oh, okay. Anyways, Let me just break this, and yeah, I just chuck it over there. And as you can see, it's moving. So yeah, basically, I'm going to be teaching you how to make animated texture packs, the raw versions, and how do you make it give XP. Yeah. So there are obviously errors. I'm gonna show you some. So if I have made this block called generator power. Yeah, so that block basically just crashes the game because of some errors. And yes, I will be trying to fix those errors in the time. And also, hey, you smile. Yeah, so basically that's the sneak peek. I'm gonna be teaching you the tutorial. Just please do subscribe, like, and
So as you can see, it's not completed right now. A little bit of tweaks here and there, and yeah, I think so the mod will be finished in a matter of a few days. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Yeah, if you watch till the end and see this, comment modding tutorial down below. And I have a real small wish: if you would just please subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of this week, so please do subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.